Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the National Guard products number 99 VA. This is a clear anodized aluminum extended door shoe with a vinyl insert. So the 99 is representative of this profile. It's a large U-shaped bottom that has these sort of wave feature ridges to the face. It's going to give it significant strength, actually, substantial weight. This material weighs about 0.07 pound per inch, so it's rather substantial. It's a lot of aluminum. The V stands for the insert being vinyl. Okay, that's what that insert material is. The A stands for, well, it ought to stand for clear anodized aluminum, or I should say mill aluminum, I would think, but this is a clear anodized finish, and that is indeed what it means from National Guard. It's not mill finish, it's clear anodized aluminum. Okay, very nice quality item. Now, this is a very nice quality door bottom from National Guard. The 99 is also representative of its dimensional properties, so let's go over that next. And as you can obviously tell, it's taller than average, and there's a reason for that, really, even though it, strangely enough, is not given on the image to the dimensional properties aren't given. The overall height of the item is 3 inch. Okay, so that's large. Has its advantages though, naturally. 1/2 inch from the bottom of where the door would reside to the bottom of the vinyl, and then for 1 3/4 inch thick doors. Why would you want something so large? Well, people will often buy this exact model because what they want to do is mitigate a rusting steel door at the bottom or a wood door that has absorbed so much moisture that it's just expanded like a sponge. And people will literally use this to squeeze out or to eke out more years of useful service out of the door. I have no problem with it at all. It's fairly attractive. It's just larger than what you'd need for just weather stripping, so you're probably not going to elect to have something so large. But the bottom line is, I've got a client that we do this for them when they install new doors, a large facility. If I said the name, you would know it. So what we'll do is we'll take, when they do exterior hollow metal doors, we'll order them galvanized, but we'll go to the auto supply store and we'll spray them with automotive undercoat in the bottom channel, the back of the frame. Okay. Then we use these door bottoms because it gives an additional barrier from the salt in the parking lot during winter time hitting the steel itself and that causing a reaction. So we're able to augment these relatively inexpensive but time-tested and true ways to be able to just off the starting base extend the life expectancy of a hollow metal door and frame. It's made of steel. It's going to rust eventually, but being able to get lots of useful years out of it is crucial. The fact that it has a 1/2 inch here is perfect because we're going to use those 1/4 inch rise, very flat saddle type thresholds, so that works out very well. You'll notice that this is featuring screws that are staggered. Obviously, they don't want these screws, which are included, to butt into each other, so they're going to stagger them very well. The only thing I like to add to a door bottom like this would be a drip cap. Now, having said that, let's take a look and see. There is a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure. That's going to pull up the 99 VA, but it will pull up other options that are available. So the 99 you're going to be able to do as a WH, which will give you the bristle, and it's the same extrusion, but those bristles are just going to sit down into this portion of the aluminum. You can do it as an N, a piece of neoprene, significantly higher quality in terms of robustness when compared to vinyl. You want neoprene is the bottom line. You can do those door bottoms in the shorter sort of scenario as well. Unfortunately, the extended door bottoms don't incorporate a drip cap, and I would sure want one installed. The problem is you don't have a flat surface to apply one to. So keep that in mind. If you want a drip cap and you don't need the height, you might want to consider something else naturally. Okay. Now, this 99 VA is available on the site in several different lengths, everything from 2 foot out to about 8 foot. Custom lengths are available, even longer lengths than 8 foot are available as well. We don't list them longer than 8 foot because it would be very uncommon or atypical to need this longer than 8 foot, but you might. But we don't list them because of the cost to ship anything longer than 8 foot becomes quite prohibitive. But if you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to, and we'll ship it that way. The advantage of that is you're going to save the trouble of cutting this. You're going to get a nice factory edge on it as well. You're going to save the trouble of having to drill slotted holes, and drilling slotted holes naturally is not very easy. And you want slotted holes to be able to tailor that on the bottom of the door to account for a sill that's not level, or maybe a door that's not plumb. It will also help account for that misdrilled hole when you're pre-drilling the holes for these self-tapping screws. That drill bit has a tendency to walk a little bit before it pierces in. So the slotted hole will help compensate that condition as well. You don't have a lot of room under the door generally, so you're going to want to be able to really get that positioned exactly correct so that you have seal, not too much so that it presents an obstacle to the door closer, pulling the door closed. Not too little seal, because that's in effect not having a seal whatsoever. So the slotted holes will help compensate for that. If I haven't already mentioned it, this is available in the DKB finish, dark bronze anodized, in addition to the mill aluminum finish. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the National Guard products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. If you have more than an occasional need for weather stripping, by all means familiarize yourself with the National Guard product line, because their name is quite synonymous with commercial weather stripping, whether it's door bottoms or perimeter gasketing or thresholds, door sweeps naturally. Material made of aluminum like the 99 VA, stainless steel, architectural bronze. They also have a comprehensive offering of steel vision frames and louvers for use in both wood and metal doors. If you have any questions on the National Guard Products 99 VA extended door bottom or any other National Guard product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.